Excuse me.
Anong buhok yan?
Do you know where's this room?
PBA? Hindi naman room yan.
Oh, sorry. I can speak Tagalog. Can you say it in English?
Wait. Not room, not room. PBA, to be announced.
Oh, okay. To be announced. How about this one?
There. Building? Yeah.
Tingnan mo, boy. Nag-English si Forger. Ang ano mag-English. Ako na nga dyan. Bulok mo mag-English. What is it? Do you know where's this room? Just go straight to that building. Go up to third floor and look for room 302. Thanks, man. You too. Ganun mag-English. Yabang mo.
Ano ka mo? Niyabangan ka na naman nila Damian? Oo, kasi bulok daw ako mag-English. Mag-hire ka ng English tutor tapos bawian mo sila. Huwag kang papaapi. Ay, may bayad yan eh. Mahal yan. Ay, wait, may naalala ako. Ano yun? May CC app nga pala ako. Buti na lang libre to. Alam ko pwede mag-translate dito eh. Translate mo to. Ang pangalan ko ay Anya.
My name is Anya.
Saang bansa ka galing?
What country are you from?
Wow, useful naman yan. Tara, dali. Ayun siya. Diyan ka lang, Becky ah.
Oh, hello. It's you again.
Hello, my name is Anya. What country are you from?
Nice to meet you, Anya. I'm Tergis from the United States. Come sit here.
Wow, US! Translate mo to sa English. Meron ka bang pasalubong?
Do you have a souvenir gift for me?
Do you have gift for me?
Oh, do you want one?
Yes, of course.
La, kausap na naman ni Forger yung Englishero. Bulok-bulok naman nag-English, nakakaya. Oo nga, pinapaya niya school natin.
Ha? Hindi na bulok mag-English si Anya dahil gumagamit siya ng CC app.
Ano yun?
Yun ang tumutulong sa kanya mag-translate at ang nagtuturo sa kanya mag-English. Hindi kagaya nyo na nang-shame nang hindi marunong mag-English. If you give me money, I will tour you.
You're funny. I turn my chill music up and I'm...
Nagjajalasi ka ba? Buti nga sa'yo.
Hindi no.
Binaspan nyo sa terrace.
Ha?
Aalis kami ng mga bata, maghiwalay na lang tayo sa akin lahat ng mga bata. Malis ka dito.
Walang problema. Basta akin ang nanay.
Hanggang angas.
Pumopogi ang lalaki pag nag-i-English. Oh, totoo ba to, boy?
Give me alone.
Uy!
So we brought pandesal and Oo, nagbili po kami ng kopi ko brown, tapos ito Milo, tapos nagdonut po kami ni Isabel. Ganyan, gusto mo? Sayo mo kaya! 너도 날 좋아하지
Hindi totoo. Hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo. Ano? Hindi to totoo. Wait lang, imi-make sure ko lang. Imi-make sure ko.
There's a stranger in my bed. There's a stranger in my head. There's a stranger in my room. There's a stranger in the pool. There's a stranger in the bar. There's a stranger in the yard. There's a stranger in my car. There's a stranger on the floor. There's a stranger last night. There's a stranger online. There's a stranger. I'm screwed.
We're friends. Of course, crush ko tatay mo.
Sa isang sulyap mo ay nabihag ako.
We are... Huh? Kaya pala tanong ka ng tanong sa tatay ko, ha?
No, it was just a joke. Oy, trend man.
We are friends. Of course, ako yung nagnakaw ng 500 mo noon.
Hmm? Mathing for 300.
What is 1.92 divided by 3?
1.92 divided by 3.
I'm not even going to
0.64.
try. Hey, but she didn't press the button.
Jody pressed the button. Go ahead, Quarter J. What's your answer?
0.64.
0.64 is correct! Yo! Man, I didn't know you were good at math!
私の名前はヨルフォーチャー。旦那の名前はロイド・フォーチャー。娘の名前はアニャ・フォーチャー。ボート・フォーチャーも一緒にフォーチャー。私の名前はヨルフォーチャー。旦那の名前はロイド・フォーチャー。娘の名前はアニャ・フォーチャー。ボート・フォーチャーも一緒にフォーチャー。ボート・フォーチャーも一緒にフォーチャー。
It's hot on the bottom. Don't drop it. Not all the time. It's hot on the bottom. It's hot on the bottom. See how you gotta talk to these corrects?
Okay, for group 4, Damian Desmond, Becky Blackbell, and Anya Forge.
No.
Your group will
Ikaw na
report
naman.
about the human evolution.
My hair with keratin. Keratin? But not just keratin. Dapat may gloss. May gloss? Kaya ay...
Uy, Forger, makinig ka nga. So, yun. Meron akong nabasang book about our topic. Unfortunately, fortunately, dala ko siya.
Ako naman, may napanood. Nagsimula daw tayo sa ganito. Basta marami yun. Naalala ko lang yung Neanderthals. Neanderthal? Ba't mo inulit yung word? Kasi napanood ko yung kay Ma Salvador yung keratins.
Amin mo ka lang. Magsulat ka na lang. Wala ka lang ambag eh. Look. Lagay mo dyan, Homo sapiens.
Homo sapiens? Oo, meron pa dyan yung Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens! Ano pa? 놓지마 이 밤이 가기 전에 baby.
Good morning. We are the group 4 and we will report about the human evolution together with Blackbell and Porter. It is the find with which named Pithecanthropus. Pithecanthropus, the fossil was between 700,000
Ano bang sulat to? Hindi mabasa.
and 1,000,000 years old and belonged to a hominin. Hominin? Sorry, sir.
Fragmentary fossils of the oldest known means Sahelanthropus chadensis. Chadensis? Olorintugenensis. Tugenensis? Ardipithecus kadaba. Kadaba? Ulit na naman niya. Of Ethiopia.
Not eleganto, group 4. Binabasa niya lang ang report niya. Okay, Miss Forger, explain.
Explain?
I just wanna be part of your symphony. Will you hold me tight and not let go? Symphony. Like a love song on the radio. Will you hold me tight and not let go?
Doon naman tayo sa ante daw sunod.
Di ba may multa daw doon?
Sus, takot ka ba?
Ano?
Fearless kaya to.
Fearless? Ay, nandito na pala tayo. Trick or treat! Trick or treat po. Nonchalant ata siya. Nonchalant? Walang candy. Walang candy?
I feel beautiful because I treat my hair with keratin. Keratin?
Oh my gosh! Sinaniban siya ni Miss Ma Salvador!
But not just keratin. Dapat may gloss. May gloss?
Hoy, Porter, mais ka na! Wala pa tayo nakuha ang candy. Hindi na kailangan. Dahil sa candy of my eye.
Candy on my eye!
Boss, nakakakilapot lumalabas sa bibig mo. Tinasapian ka din ba?
Keratin plus.
Sabi
So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love, love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it.
Trick or treat. Why are you dressed like that?
Because it's my costume. All you gotta do is go to the costume store and say, make me look stupid.
Don't stand like that.
Well,
that's the
that's how you
problem.
stood.
That's not how I stand. I
That's
didn't stand
exactly
like that. I
what you
stand
look
like...
Hi, sorry. Hanggang ano oras po kayo? Hanggang liig daw.
Wow, Mama! Did you buy this?
I made them myself.
Oh, Nikki, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Es el paso del canguro. Ese es el paso del canguro.
Anak ka ng tatay mong pogi.
Raymond, tama na ang pagtatago mo. Pagbayaran mo na lahat ng mga kasalanan mo.
Daming alam? Umibig ka dyan. Baka mapatay kita eh.
Hindi ako alis dito hanggat walang poses sa mga kamay mo.
Wow! Ang drama. Ano ba yan? Yung mga lines mo ba na yan? Pinapractice mo sa salamin yan bago mo sabihin?
Boss, kumukha na.
Ilog.
No.
Ilog.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Bilog. Sapa.
Tulog.
Sapa.
Tulog.
Ito.
Tulog.
Ito. Sumasakit na ulo mo? Ha? Bakit? Bakit sumasakit na ulo mo? Ha? Bakit?
Oh! I want you to take me to funky town. I want you to take me to funky town. I want you.
Tapos pormahan ko lagi ay long sleeves na t-shirt at faded na lonta. Pero no, makilala kita, nagbagong bigla ang aking timpla. Natuto ako na magpariban at mag-ahit ng kilay at least.
Yeah, I want you to name it. I do want you to make it yours. It's like the vibration says.
If I snap my fingers, you forget that you were ever gay.
I was never gay.
Exactly.
Wait, no, stop.
Yes.
No, stop. You can't. I was never gay.
Okay.
No, I was never gay.
Sure.
You can't just state something, then snap your fingers, and then be like, I was never gay.
If you say so.
Expected score versus real score. Ikaw, be. Expected score mo sa quiz. Perfect. Wow, ang confident mo naman. Siyempre, nag-review ako kagabi, no? Okay, kayong tatlo. Expected score sa quiz.
No, umalis ka nga dito.
Ipopost ko to. Visit ka.
Siyempre, perfect. Alis na.
Yung dalawa pa. Bibigbosan kita dyan eh.
Siyempre, si Ross Damian, perfect. Kaming dalawa din ni Ewan, perfect. Okay na? Magre-review pa kami.
Bumagsak ka sana.
Ano?
Anya, anong score? Sige, wag na. Damian, anong score mo?
Perfect.
Di wow. Kayong dalawa.
Ano?
Anong score nyo?
17. 17 din.
Nagkopyahan